Hello everyone, I'm Yağız, Güzelcan. Today I'm going to talk about Angela Merkel and coronavirus crisis. Let's begin with my outline. As you can see the outline, I will first talk about who is Angela Merkel. After that, I will follow these paths. Let's get started. Angela Merkel was born on 17 July 1954 in Hamburg. She went to Leipzig University and studied physics. After graduating from this Leipzig University, she went to Berlin Adlershof Academy of Sciences Physics Chemistry Center Institute. She studied quantum chemistry. After graduating from this institute, she was elected German Chancellor on 22nd November 2005. Let's see Germany's coronavirus condition. The first case was recorded on 27th January 2020. The peak was reached on 6th of April. After that day, the active cases have been decreased. Death ratio is 5% in average. And for 30th May, the numbers, you can see the numbers for total cases, total deaths and total recoveries. Okay, now let's look at the measures taken by Angela Merkel. Angela Merkel reacted really rapidly and she ordered the masks. She took precautions for German economy. She did controls on borders. She closed schools, did lockdowns, banned travels. And she did a lot of coronavirus tests. Almost 4 million tests. Now, let's look some government actions in Germany. I want to emphasize 5 of these. On 4 March, 16 March, 13 and 16 March, 17 and 19 March. These are important. We will come back here. Now, 3 leadership characteristics of Angela Merkel to take these measures. Okay, firstly, she is forward-looking. Okay, as you can see in this graph, on 4th March, there were not lots of active cases, as you can see, but she ordered 1 million masks. After 2 weeks later, on 19th March, some hospitals were facing a shortage of masks. So, imagine if she didn't order these masks. This proves Angela Merkel is forward-looking, so she can able to take measures earlier. Now, secondly, she has excellent communication skills. She discussed with scientists and leaders of other countries and experts all over the world. She listened to them, so she could take precautions. She explained what will happen and what Germans should do very properly, and this gives it results. Lower death ratio, increase recovered people. Third and the last one, she is decisive. She has a goal, which is saving Germany from coronavirus crisis with minimal damage. In order to do that, she must take risks and do what it needs, whatever it takes. If Germany needs travel ban, lockdown, closing schools, she would do it, and actually did it. Okay, these 3 traits make her comfortable with taking the measures. And help with the measures, Germany is one of the countries which has lower death ratio in the world. As you can see in the table, red color means active cases, blue color recoveries, claret red color deaths. Deaths are not too high, and recoveries is increasing. It's increasing. It gives result actually. The measures gives result. As you can see in this here, after 6th April, active cases have been decreased. So, in general, we can say that if we look at gender and leadership, according to Tracy White, women leaders trust in science and they have the ability to make difficult decisions with empathy and compassion. As a result, they have succeeded in minimizing the impact of coronavirus in their countries. According to Rush Persaud, female leaders assessed the evidence, had the expert advice, acted decisively. After collaborating, they made hard decisions such as lockdowns, and banning traveling. Okay, to sum up, women leaders approach have been very effective because they incorporate empathy and compassion, preparedness and an ability to collaborate and listen before making hard decisions. These are my references and thank you for listening to me. Any questions?